Hey all, it is Ray Alkalai again with insurance tips for smart people. Insurance tips for smartpeople.com. Hey, today I thought I'd talk about trampolines. This came up recently that when a customer wants to have a trampoline in their backyard, when they have homeowners insurance, some companies do not like trampolines. Some companies completely want you to not have it. Some companies exclude it, and then some companies say that if you have it, they will either non-renew or cancel you. And then there are other companies that are okay with that as long as it's fenced, as long as it's got a gated fence and a netting or a netting. Some companies it's either or, and some companies it's both. Some companies charge for that. There's a endorsement price for that, a rider, if you will, and some companies just don't want it. So if you have a trampoline in your backyard and your insurance agent does not know, I would highly suggest that you go out and tell them, or at least be honest about it and make sure that they know, or that you are covered for it, because you don't want to get into a situation where there's an argument. If something happens, a neighbor child jumps on it, gets hurt, and blames you for it, that you don't have the coverage. So it's something to consider. So if you don't have one and you're thinking of getting one, make sure you call your insurance agent. And if you do have one and didn't tell your agent, that's a problem. If you got one after you got your insurance, you might want to ask your agent. So consider that trampolines are not something that insurance companies typically like to have. Some companies more than others, and then some companies completely just don't want it anywhere. Those that do will charge for it usually, and it's not huge. It could be anywhere between $50 to $150 a year. Depending on company and type of coverage. And then make sure you have an umbrella if you are going to have a trampoline, and that the insurance covers on the homeowners and then the umbrella. So anyway, if you have any questions about that or anything else on insurance tips for smart people, again, insurance tips for smart people. I hope you guys like my sheet here. Insurance tips for smartpeople.com. Ray Alkalai is my name, and ideas and tips for you to have a better insurance policy. Give me a call if you have any questions, or post it in the comments, or message me direct. And also share the video and like it. Please share it and like it wherever you are. Thanks.